Ginger is one of the root plants of the Zingiberaceae family, such as turmeric and cardamom, and has a strong pungent taste. Ginger is included in the list of medicinal herbs, and its roots are usually used as a spice, and it can be eaten fresh, drinking soaked or boiled, or using its powder or oil for therapeutic purposes. It has been used as a traditional remedy for thousands of years, and has been known in Chinese and Indian medicine for treating many health problems. The benefits of ginger. In general, ginger has many benefits for various health conditions, and according to some scientific sites. What has been found about the benefits of ginger that have been clinically proven in laboratory studies on animals was reducing swelling, reducing blood sugar, lowering cholesterol, protect against Alzheimer's disease, anticoagulation. But more research is needed to know with certainty the extent of its effect on humans. However, according to the experiences, studies, and applications of traditional medicine and natural therapy, it is possible to obtain more benefits of ginger. Whether by consuming it as boiled or oil, or using its powder, or in other ways, we will talk to you about it as follows. 1. Weight loss. Some studies indicated that people consuming ginger contributed to their loss of approximately 20% of fat for those who did not eat it. This may be due to its high content of dietary fiber, which helps increase the feeling of fullness of the stomach and thus increase satiety. Ginger has also found an effective role in slimming and losing weight by encouraging metabolism and promoting the burning of fats in the body. 2. Maintaining blood pressure levels. With ginger containing active substances in an amount of dietary fiber, in addition to important minerals such as potassium and magnesium, it contributes to maintaining blood pressure levels. This is done by reducing them and controlling their levels, reducing the level of cholesterol in the blood, and maintaining the health of the arteries. But it is usually advised for patients with stress to eat fresh ginger for this purpose, not ground. 3. Combating irritable bowel syndrome. It has been found that ginger is a gas repellent and helps fight irritable bowel syndrome and reduce pain and the associated discomfort. 4. Useful for diabetics. Ginger contributes to lowering blood sugar levels, enhancing the health of diabetics in general, and preventing some complications associated with diabetes. However, it is advised for a diabetic patient not to exceed 4 grams of ginger per day so that the effects do not become adverse and negatively affect his health, with a sharp drop in sugar. 5. Good for cancer patients. Ginger has found a great role in preventing various types of cancer such as colon, prostate, breast, skin, and lung cancer, due to its high content of antioxidants and active substances. Also, in a study conducted by the Comprehensive Cancer Center, at the University of Michigan, it was found that eating ground ginger has a role in eliminating ovarian cancer cells in particular. In another study, ginger was found to have a role in slowing the growth of cancer cells in both the colon and rectum. 6. Treats headaches. Ginger is used as a sedative and pain reliever and has a role in treating migraines. It also helps fight infections in the body that may be the cause of headache, relieves circulation, nausea, and any symptoms that may accompany headaches. 7. Treatment of colds. Since ancient times, ginger has found a role in treating problems that afflict the respiratory system, and until now, it is effective in enhancing immunity and relieving symptoms of colds and winter diseases. It also contributes to the treatment of sore throat, expands the airways, relieves symptoms such as coughing and expels phlegm. 8. Improving sexual health. It was found that ginger enhances blood circulation, which makes it have benefits that may benefit sexual health and increase desire. Ginger may also contribute to the treatment of some problems of impotence and weakness, and enhance the erection, and help to delay the process of ejaculation in men, as it is included in the treatment of unpleasant odor of the vagina. 9. Get rid of hair problems. Ginger helps in treating and strengthening many hair problems. As as it was found that ginger oil, when applied to the hair and massaging the scalp with it constantly, helps to increase hair growth and treat the problem of hair loss. And it was also found to have a great role in treating the problem of dandruff and getting rid of it. This may help ginger when used regularly to fight the appearance of white hair, which may result from some psychological factors or a deficiency in some nutrients. And it is recommended to add honey to it to increase its effectiveness. 10. Skin care. Ginger has aesthetic benefits for the skin, as it helps in lightening and clearing the skin. And it helps sterilize the skin and prevent infections. Medicinal benefits of ginger. As for the medicinal benefits of ginger for your body, they are: 1. Benefits of ginger for the digestive system. It has been found that ginger helps treat stomach and digestive disorders in general, as it is used in the treatment and prevention of nausea and vomiting, and promotes the process of digestion and absorption of substances, by stimulating the secretion of digestive juices and saliva. Also, as ginger is a source of dietary fiber, eating it contributes to softening and facilitating intestinal movement and treating intestinal upset. It has also been found that ginger helps prevent stomach ulcers by increasing the secreted mucus and protecting its inner wall. 2. Treatment of infections and joint diseases. It has been found that antioxidants and the active substance in ginger, known as gingerol, all fight different microbes and infections in the body. Where ginger contains enzymes that break down proteins that may contribute to inflammation, such as arthritis. Where a study found that people who consumed ginger decreased their feelings of joint pain by 3/4 of them. 3. Benefits of ginger for women. Drinking ginger boiled has an effective role in relieving menstrual symptoms and relieving menstrual pain in women. It has also been found that the antioxidants that ginger contains may contribute to preventing some cancers of women, such as uterine cancer and ovarian cancer. 4. Ginger helps fight the signs of aging. Ginger with powerful antioxidants has been found to help reduce wrinkles, prevent signs of aging, promote healthy skin, and it fights free radicals, protects cells, and promotes healthy circulation in the skin and skin layers. 5. Ginger in the treatment of acne. It was found that applying ginger decoction after it has cooled on the skin of the face and cleans it with it, actually helps to sterilize it, and helps in preventing and treating acne, and purifying and clearing the skin. 6. Benefits of ginger for heart and arterial health and for reducing cholesterol. It was found that ginger promotes the health of blood circulation and helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, through its effective role in reducing cholesterol levels in the blood. In addition to being a source of a group of minerals important and necessary for the work of the heart muscle and arteries and for regulating blood pressure, such as potassium, magnesium, and manganese. How to use ginger. Ginger has been used since ancient times in the treatment of stomach disorders and nausea, and I found many evidence that proved these properties. It has been found that ginger enhances the digestion process and stimulates the secretion of saliva. It has also been used since ancient times to relieve pain and treat joint pain, and in the treatment of headaches, vomiting, and digestive problems. What has been rumored recently about the effectiveness of using ginger for weight loss and fat burning. And there is talk about powerful recipes that improve sexual health, and ginger is included as an essential compound. Ginger is used for pregnant women to reduce the symptoms of pregnancy, especially in the first months of vomiting and nausea. But there are some questions about the permissible amount of ginger without causing any harm or negative side effects. Some experts do not recommend that the pregnant woman adopt it, as it may be linked to raising the risk of abortion, especially if consumed in large quantities. Is ginger the solution to any kind of dizziness or nausea? Is it nausea resulting from chemotherapy, pregnancy, or surgery and other causes of dizziness? How to use ginger. You can use ginger and benefit from it in several ways, either by eat fresh ginger root. Soak ginger or boil its roots and drink the boiled. Drink ginger root juice. Use it as a kind of spice that is added to various cooks. Use ginger powder. Ginger oil. Recipes for using ginger. Let us introduce you to a set of aesthetic recipes that ginger can be used in. 1 Ginger blends for slimming. It is possible to eat fresh green ginger boiled with cinnamon, as it was found that ginger and cinnamon contain active substances that enhance metabolism and burn fat. Or it is possible to drink ground ginger boiled and filter it and add lemon juice to it, or drink green ginger infusion. But with attention to the amount consumed so that it does not exceed a cup per day. Preferably with the advice and directions of the doctor or nutritionist and taking into account the health history. 2 Ginger blends for hair. Use ginger oil with a mixture of other oils such as castor oil and olive oil, and apply the mixture to the scalp with a circular massage, and then bring a hot towel and wrap your hair with it. In other recipes, it is possible to use ginger root powder with the addition of the same mixture of the previous oils to it, apply it to the hair and leave it for a period of time. And it is possible to add ginger cream to the recipe to increase the desired benefit. 3 Ginger blends for the skin. Make a mixture of dry ground ginger or grated fresh ginger with a spoonful of honey and a spoonful of rose water. Wash your skin and clean it well, then apply the mixture on it for a quarter of an hour, and then wash your face. Or, you can use a mixture of ground ginger, lemon juice, and egg white and put it on your skin for a period not exceeding 10 minutes, and then wash your face and notice the difference. Permissible amount of ginger. Usage warnings. The permissible daily amount of ginger has not been determined precisely for each case. As the products and supplements that contain ginger differ from one product to another in their concentrations and the amount of active substances in it. And this makes it difficult to determine the daily doses taken, so it is best for you to consult a doctor before taking it and according to your health condition. However, some references may recommend an amount that does not exceed 2 to 4 grams of ginger per day, and it is taken divided into 2 to 3 servings. Knowing that half a gram of dried ginger equals 2 grams of fresh ginger. It is also not recommended for children under the age of 2 years to eat it. Save ginger. To preserve fresh green ginger, it is advised to start with avoiding buying wet or moldy ginger. Store it in the refrigerator without peeling it in a special bag for a period not exceeding 3 weeks, and it can be stored in the freezer for a longer period of about 6 months. When cutting, sprinkling, or peeling a small piece of ginger, it is recommended to store it in the refrigerator in an airtight bag. Damage to ginger. Ginger is generally included in the list of substances recognized as safe to use in general, grass generally recognized as safe, under the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA. As for the side effects and damages that may result if the daily consumption of ginger exceeds the required limit, it includes a drop in blood sugar levels, liquidation and viscosity in the blood, heartburn, nausea and vomiting, herbs and foods that ginger contrasts with. It has been found that ginger may interfere with foods and herbs that are anticoagulant, and consuming them with them may cause bleeding, such as parsley, fenugreek, cloves, red pepper, garlic, onions, and licorice. Health conditions and diseases that ginger counteracts. Depending on the side effects that ginger may cause, especially when consuming large amounts of it, it is worth taking in all of the following cases. Caution when using it. Diabetics avoid eating large amounts of it, as it may lead to lowering blood sugar levels and thus a drop in sugar. It is not recommended for patients with gallbladder to consume it. It causes heart palpitations and affects pressure, so it is advised for patients with heart and blood pressure to avoid taking it and consult a doctor. It is recommended for those suffering from problems with clotting and blood thinning to consult a doctor before using it and to know the permissible dosages. Ginger and pregnancy. Several studies have found a role for ginger in relieving dizziness, nausea, vomiting, headache and stomach upset. And Thus it has a great role in treating and relieving some of the symptoms associated with pregnancy. But it is advised for pregnant women to eat small amounts of it without exceeding 4 to 2 g per day, with dividing it into 2 to 3 servings per day. And it can be added to food and salad dishes or eaten as juice.